secured your lap to exploding tires and the space heaters that short out and then catch fire, to paint containing lead on the toys you buy. It's all dangerous, and this is a why. Because it's crap.
Hello YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Today is a really quick little video about a transistor tester that I purchased through, I think it was AliExpress or eBay, it doesn't really matter. It was a 2014-07 by Fish8840. My friend John Kleinbauer was having trouble with his, and it was reporting FETs as being regular PNP, NPN type transistors. It seemed to be very erratic, and it didn't seem to work very well for him. When I got mine, I tested it with a few different components, and everything seemed to work great. So I pulled mine out again, and I tested it with a couple of unknown FETs and a couple of unknown transistors and diodes. Everything seems good. From the sounds of it, you need to get current firmware for this device. The one that I bought seems to be working fine, so take a look at it on the video, and if you need one, buy one. They're cheap, and they seem to work fine for me. This is going to be a quick video showing you the Chinese component tester. This one is a transistor tester, 2014. It was by Fresh8840. This is hopefully to help my friend John Kleinbauer, who's having trouble with his. This is a 2-board system with a 0 insertion force socket for your components. An off, a test. That's pretty much all you can say about it. It does have a programming header on here that you could reprogram the chip if you wanted to. So let's give it a go. First, we're going to plug the battery in. Takes a regular 9-volt battery. Comes up with the version 2.1. Says my battery's a little low. Okay, let's start off with an LED. The LED blinked again, and it's saying that it's a diode, which is correct. Now let's try just a regular diode. Again, it's a diode. Works fine. Alright, now I have my box of FETs. Let's just grab a random FET. And it's saying that it's a FET. Turn it around. Again, a FET. Let's try another random FET. Again, a FET. Still a FET. Here we have logic FETs. Still a FET. Okay, here we have some transistors. Random transistor. What can you say? This is a bag of FETs that I just received. And again, it's saying it's a FET. .1 is the version. Well, my conclusion is it's not Chinese crap. I think it works really well. For the money, I can't complain at all. Anytime you can get a component tester for under 20 bucks and it works, well, go for it. If there's any interest, I can do a more thorough test on this unit. Leave your comments below. As always, thank you for watching, and it would really help me out if you left a thumbs up or even subscribe. Thank you very much.